Hello, let's continue our discussion on semiotics. Just a reminder, semiotics is the study of signs and symbols. Signs are anything that can be interpreted to have meaning. Symbols are a type of sign that has a specific meaning that is agreed upon by a group of people. Semiotics has two levels of signification, denotation and connotation. Denotation is the literal meaning of a sign. For example, the denotation of the word dog is a four-legged mammal that barks. Connotation is the associated meanings of a sign. For example, the connotation of the word dog can also be loyalty, friendship, or protection. The meaning of a sign can vary depending on the context in which it is used. For example, the word dog can have a different connotation in a sentence like I love my dog than it does in a sentence like the dog chased the cat. In the sentence I love my dog, the word dog has a positive connotation. It is associated with love, loyalty, and companionship. This is because the word is being used in a context where it is being expressed that the speaker has a strong emotional attachment to their dog. In the sentence, the dog chased the cat, the word dog has a negative connotation. It is associated with aggression and violence. This is because the word is being used in a context where it is being described that the dog is chasing and potentially harming the cat. The connotation of a word can also be influenced by the culture in which it is used. For example, in some cultures, the word dog is considered to be a derogatory term for a man. In other cultures, the word dog is considered to be a symbol of loyalty and companionship. The connotation of a word can also be influenced by the individual's experiences. For example, someone who has been bitten by a dog may have a negative connotation of the word dog. The distinction between denotation and connotation is not always clear-cut. Some signs have multiple meanings that are both denotative and connotative. The meaning of a sign can also change over time. For example, the swastika was once a symbol of peace and prosperity, but it has since become a symbol of hate and intolerance. Connotation can be used to create persuasive messages. For example, advertisers often use connotation to create positive associations with their products. Jakobson presented a model of communication that incorporates the concept of connotation. The model has three parts: the sender, the message, and the receiver. The sender is the person who creates the message. Message is the form that the communication takes. The receiver is the person who interprets the message. The code is the system of symbols that is used to create and interpret the message. In the case of the word dog, the code is the English language. The audience is the group of people who are likely to receive the message. The audience interpretation of the message will be influenced by their own personal beliefs and experiences and values. Therefore, semiotics and connotation are important concepts for understanding how we communicate with each other. They help us to understand how the meaning of a message can vary depending on the context, the audience, and the code.